For you to master trigonometric integrals, what you need to be familiar with is identity as well as EU substitution. Please, first, index substitution method, please revisit it and make sure you understand it. Because if you don't understand the substitution method, you're going to have a bit of friction here. So you need these identities, and you also need to learn what we call EU substitution method. So I'm sure you will remember these identities. That's why it's even written here. Remember them. They are from high school, all of them. Aswago High School. Asazi abantu bafunde high school in Anjan. But this one we know it's actually sin squared x, cos squared x, maswa 8 as to 1. Then this one, we know this one, right? Do you know this one, the half angle one? Right, thanks for the no. So you learned of a double angle, the cos double angle. How do you resolve cos 2x? If you are given cos 2x, this is a double angle formula because the angle is multiply no ban 2, right? So how do you resolve such according to your grade 12s? How many types of solutions can you have? 3 of them, right? So we have got the first one that says cos squared x minus sin squared x. Or it can happen, Uti, you can have the one that says, Bani, 2 cos. Okay, so it's 2 cos squared x minus 1, right? And then the other one, 1 minus 2 sin squared x. So I'm a double angle formula. No matter double angle, once you have got equals of a double angle, you can resolve it into 3 different things. We're just going to focus on these 2. From these ones, if you try to solve for cos squared x, no matter make cos squared x the subject of the formula here, you will find out, if you have got cos 2x is equals to 2 cos squared x minus 1. If you want to make cos squared x the subject of the formula, what do you do here? You transpose 1, right? So it's more like you're having something like a so you'll have something like 2 cos squared x is equals to cos 2x plus 1, isn't it? So most transpose this one, I am positive, but I chose it to write it this way so that it's subject to the formula even. And how do you find the value of cos squared x here? Divide by 2. So if you divide both sides by 2, you find out that cos squared x is actually equal to half of ubani cos 2x plus 1. So soon I'll show you how it has the identity. You know it. Just that the form that it appears in, it seems like you don't know it. You know it now. It is this one that we are talking about. This one. Cos squared x is half of 1 plus cos 2x. Similarly, no sin squared x. You can also get it from the same identity. I won't do it, but basically, you're just going to use the part n sin squared x and make sin squared x the subject of the formula. You will get such an identity, this one. And if you are going to multiply sin x and cos x, maybe this one you're not familiar with, you're going to get half of 2 sin x. But you know this one as well. This is sine, double angle sine. You know double angle sine, how to resolve it, right? Yes. So when you are resolving double angle sine, you know when you are given sine 2x, when you want to resolve this, you are going to get 2 sin x cos x. So you have done such proofs in grade 11. And if you want to find sin x times cos x, what do? You divide by 2 on both sides. So essentially, if you divide by 2 2 and 2 cancels, we remain with sin x times cos x, elingana nobani, no half of sin 2x. So that's why I say remember these trigonometric identities. All of them are going to be needed when we are doing integration. Okay, now funda this one grade 10, this one grade 12, this one grade 12 as well. So from this, we now introduce trigonometric integrals. Remember, always remember how to integrate cos, how to integrate sine. You know, see the integral of cos x is sine x, then the integral of sine x is what? Negative cos x. Remember all of those basic ones from calculus 1. So let's start with the simple ones and try to apply lama identities. We're just gonna choose simple ones, random and simple ones. This is a level 1 basis. Agashubi or manj. So let's start with a cos cubed x and try to resolve it into one of these identities as now will appear in the table. Let's just say we are having the integral of cos cubed x dx. So you see cos x wako is raised to the power of 3 this time. Angeke uvele uthi wena integral ya cos x is going to give you a positive sin x. No, because this cos x is raised to the power of bani, to the power of 3. So to resolve this, try your best. This is a simple one because you can try your best to express log cos cubed x in form of any an identity. So the idea is here, when you are dealing with the trigonometric integrals, try to express into yako in form of a what? Of an identity. Then you apply EU substitution method. That's why you say these are the 2 essential things for using the trigonometric integrals. And sorry for not getting a bigger venue, but this one has got nice internet. You try to just sit up. But basically, the 2 steps, 2 simple steps, try to express this using any an identity. And secondly, apply EU substitution. So, cos cubed x, what identity do we know as on cos cubed x? Or cos squared x, right? We know cos squared x, cos squared x, from this, it is equals to 1 minus bani sin squared x. And learners know cos cubed. Should we can factor out cos squared from this one, right? So cos cubed x, it is equivalent to ubani, to cos squared x times ubani, cos x. Because when you are going to multiply them, you're going to add them exponents and you get a cubed there. So this cos squared x, you know that it can be expressed in form of a what? Of an identity, right? And one of the identities is here, which is 1 minus bani sin squared x. Then the remaining cos, what will you express it as? You will use UU substitution and you will express it as bani, as UU. Okay, let's take it slowly but surely. Let me open the screen and expand. So, Sitini, we are having cos cubed x. We are trying to do what? We are trying to integrate this. First, try your best to express it in form of an identity. In this case, we've got cos squared x times cos x. So, what is your desirable identity line? Cos squared x, it is the same thing as ubani, 1 minus sin squared x, right? So, the identity cos squared x is equivalent to 1 minus sin squared x. Then this is multiplied by ubani, cos x, isn't it? Yes, so this is a 1 minus sin squared x multiplied by cos x. So njengomuntu that understands indaba ye-U substitution, do you see anything common here? Let's just say we replace the cos cubed x using this equivalent expression as a generator, and we say we want to integrate 1 minus sin squared x cos x. I just replace the cos cubed x using this thing as a resolve language, and then lana nobani not dx. Now my question is, do you see any way that you can solve integral at this point? Well, how can you solve it? Substitution, right? You need to remember a substitution method is a method or apply whereby you can derive one part to get the other part, right? So as to usine no cos, they are always interacting with each other. Monga derive usine utholubani cos. Monga derive cos utholubani negative sign, but they are always alternating with each other. Buka ke into esinayo lana. Sinobani sin squared x. So this is sin x, sin x kodwa no squared, right? And then this is ubani cos x. So do you realize that if I'm going to derive sin squared x, because sin squared x is just the same thing as sin x that is squared. So it's the same thing as saying if I derive this sin x or squared, am I going to get to cos x? Yes, I am going to get to cos x. So now I can apply intersibiza ngani ne-U substitution. Yini ozoyitetela ukuthi ibe u-U? you will let u be leyo nto ozokwazi ukuyi-derive to get the other part, right? If I derive cos x, can I get to sine squared x? No. But if I derive sine x squared, I can get to cos x, right? Yes. So you will let u be that function that you can derive to get the other part, to get the other function within the integral yakho. In this case, mas nga derive negative sine squared x, what do we get? This one. If we derive this one, derive this one. This is a composite function. I should say Kona sine x, phinde kube nobani? No x squared. The squared lawyer calls for you to use the chain rule. Remember all your rules from your calculus 1. When you are having such, there is a composition of two functions. One no x squared, phinde kube nobani? No sine x. So sithathe sine x samcomposer la kubani? X squared. So how would we derive such a thing according to your calculus 1? You are just going to differentiate ubani lo x squared, right? In terms of ubani sine x. Simply apply power rule. Lo 2 lona times lo 1, you're gonna get ubani u2. You get back sine x umbuyisela njengoba enjalo. But you're going to multiply with what? With the derivative of the inner function, which is ubani sine x. Derive sine x, what do you get? Cos x. Do you see lo cos x, which is what we are having here? It is found. So when we derive this, when we let this to be OU, then we differentiate it, we can definitely get the element lena cos x. So now I will let my u be sine squared x such that its derivative got u with respect to x. In notation is very important. It's du dx, deriving u with respect to x. So we applied the chain rule. We found out that this is equals to bani 2 sine x cos x. Yep. If we say, okay, if you let u equal to sine x, I think it can still work. Yeah, it can still work. Oh yeah, it will be less complicated. It's fine. Because this one sazo tons, because sazo divider foot, but either way can work. Let's try to use the simple one. If we let u be sine x, then its derivative is just cos x. Then this sine squared x is 1 u squared, right? Yes, okay, it's fine. Simpler that way, let's keep it simple. Thanks when for it up. So lana again, we've got cos x dx, right? So uzeswazi express cos x dx from the expression len. We cross multiply ubani dx. So ahlakhe du lana is equals to bani cos x times ubani dx. Now we can do the substitution now. So we're gonna change ama variable ga x aba ama variable ga bani ga u. So here this integral is the same thing as saying this is the integral of what? This is the integral of 1 minus. This is sine squared x angesho. And remember, sine squared x is the same thing as sine x, but this is squared. And now we have let our sine x be equal to bani to u. It's fair to replace sine x with bani with u. Then this will be u squared. And then ngalena sinobani cos x dx with this differential, right? And now from our expressions also cos x dx, from deriving du, we found it is equal to bani is du. So this is 1 minus u squared du. And then you solve this is an indefinite integral. So when you solve this, you find the integral of 1 angesh. So because there's a minus sign here, you can find the integral of 1 du, right? Then you also find the integral of ubani u squared du. You are now allowed to do that because there's a what? There's a minus sign. If there's a plus or a minus separating them, we will distribute integral on the first term and the other one. See this at all? All right. So integral of du, what do we get there? We get u, right? And then integrating u squared, what do we get? 1 over 3 u cubed. We just do the opposite here power rule. That's the basic, right? So lana again. We are going to add u plus c. For what reason? Remember, this is a what? An indefinite integral. Maui indefinite integral, never If there are no bounds here, always add a constant because it's a family of solutions, something like that. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. But now, since this is an indefinite integral and there are no bounds, and thina integral yakho, initially it was written in form of bani, in form of x. So since it was written in form of x, you have to resubstitute u wakho, because khumbula ukuthi u sithe it's a function of x angisho. U is something x phakathi. So we're gonna resubstitute la kuno u khona, we're gonna put back the value of u okubani, sine x. So this is sine x. This is minus 1 over 3. Where there is u, we're gonna replace with ubani, sine x, but this is cubed. You can say sine cubed x, right? And then this is plus a constant c. This serves as the value of your indefinite integral. So try your best. The steps are 10. Try your best to solve any identity. Then secondly, what do you do? Substitution. Kuzohlezi kunjalo, no matter how complex it might get. But try to do what? To express in form of an identity first. Then after expressing in form of an identity, then you are going to do substitution. It's only 2 steps. This is still level 1 questions. Let's try another level 1 question. Integrate sine squared x dx, right? And then this is a definite integral, is from 0 to pi. Integrate sine squared x dx. Yes. Integrate sine squared x dx. This is an indefinite integral. Can you express this in any identity? Which identity do you know that is associated with sine squared x? So it is 1 minus cos squared x, right? So this one is a direct replacing. We can just replace sine squared x with ubani, 1 minus cos squared x dx, right? From 0 to pi. Right, is it fine, Mangjen? Everyone clear? So we replace sine squared x with 1 minus cos squared x. But now, if you want to distribute integral and integrate this and integrate this, is it easy to find the integral of cos squared x? Can you find the integral of cos squared x? What method can you use? Identity. Always, it's all about identities here. Numbers. All right. So if you cannot integrate any trigonometric ratio or any trigonometric function, try to find any identity as we simplify into something that you can integrate. So here, cos squared x, according to the identities that we have looked at so far, do you know any identity that suits cos squared x? Yes. From these identities, we found out that cos squared x is half, right, of 1 plus ubani, cos 2x. That's a half angle formula, this one. We derive it from a double angle formula. So I can say, I can replace cos squared x with ubani, half of cos 2x plus 1, right? Is it? Yes, half of cos 2x plus 1, no, half of 1 plus cos 2x. So you see, no cos squared x, I'm going to replace with this expression. Shuti, this is going to give me the integral from 0 to pi. U1 is perfectly fine and it's integrable. You can integrate it, right? Cos squared x is given the value of half of cos 2x plus 1. Then this is dx. Now things are easier because the integral of cos 2x is now a simplified one. Once a trigonometric ratio is raised to the power of 1, it's way simpler to find, right? So Lanagi is now all about doing the mathematics. You can start by distributing the negative half into this expression. That's what you can start by doing. Integrating 0 from 0 to pi, and then this is 1 minus half of cos 2x, right? Minus 1 over 2. And then this is dx. Do we agree with what I did here? Like expanding the 1 over 2 inside. It's perfectly fine. So now we're just going to integrate each and every part separately because no minus, no minus. So each and every term can be integrated separately. So we have to come and integrate from 0 to pi. We integrate this 1 dx, right? Then minus, this half is a constant, so I can just exclude it out of the integral language. We integrate ubani, cos of 2x, but the bounds are still from 0 to pi. Then I can integrate this 1 over 2. I'm integrating 1 over 2, or you can just take out 1 over 2 and integrate ubani with dx. You can now integrate each and every one singly, no separately. So if I integrate dx, what do I get? X, right? It's 1 dx, I get to x. Then ama bounds wami, they are from ubani 0 to pi. Then here, this is minus 1 over 2, brackets. If I integrate cos 2x, what do I get, Wonj? I'm going to get ubani 1 over 2 sine 2x. Please, guys, make sure that you understand why we're having 1 over 2 land. If we integrate cos 2x, we 1 over 2 sine 2x. Kumbula pelusi, integrating and differentiating the opposites of each other. So when I derive this, I must get this. When I integrate this, I must get this. So if I'm going to derive sine 2x, this is a composite function. So when chain rule, so when I'm going to derive sine 2x, ngizothola ubani cos 2x, but I'm going to multiply with the derivative of 2x, which is 2. Then these 2 and these 2 of this half will do what? Will cancel out. That's why we first write the coefficient ubani 1 over 2. So that when you're going to do this, when you're going to differentiate this, izokubuyisela cos 2x exactly. And then this is minus 1 over 2. Integrate dx, you get x, right? Still is from 0 to pi. All you have to do now is to substitute your bounds because this is a definite integral. Upper bound is pi minus, lower bound is 0. So you can write that, but basically there is no need, right? Then this is minus. This is 1 over 2. Okay, here I didn't put the bounds, but the upper bounds is from 0 to pi, right? So here, this 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 can multiply to give us 1 over 4, right? And here, sine 2x, the upper bound so far pi, right? So this will be sine 2 pi. We substitute where there is x, we're going to substitute pi, because this is an integral of x. And then this is minus sine of sine of 2 times 0. Then this is minus 1 over 2 into, substitute pi here, minus 0. So you are evaluating a definite integral, upper bound first, minus lower bound. And you substitute like no x corner, because this is an integral x. So then this is pi, and then this is minus 1 over 4. If we see here, sine 2 pi, 2 pi is equivalent to what? 360 degrees, right? Sine of 360 degrees is what? 0. We know that, right? Sine, Lord, sine. Sine, maga 0, 0. Sine maga 90 is 1. Sine maga 180 is 0. Sine 270, negative 1. Sine 360, 0. This one, sine 0, what do we get? 0 as well. Right, Angish. Right. Yes, we know. Yeah? No. Sine 0, 0, Angish. Yes. Sine 360 0 9. So basically this 1 over 4, this is times 0. Pretend is not there. This is minus 1 over 2, but low 1 over 2 no pi. Because this is a minus 1 over 2 times this pi. Please, you don't use calculators, Ngalen. So you must always know how it works around the Cartesian plane. Sine lana 0, cos 1. They do opposite of each other. They are co-functions of each other. So this is the value of the integral, the definite integral. And by the way, a number lena, because it's definite integral, it's a number. Because pi is a number. Pi is a number. When you substitute it, you're going to get a number. So I'm a definite integral, they must always yield you a value. Khona nama queries in land. First step, try to express your trigonometric function in form of a what? In form of an identity. Then umuntu mina ngimnikela ama identities that they need to know for the sine cos combinations. Now my identities that you need to know for now. For the sine and cos combinations. Yeah. Yiphi? Le ephezulu. Ekuphi? Why ku negative half? You know 1 over 2. Alright. Oh, so why ku negative ubuya? Okay. Why ngisebenzisa le 1 over 2? Yes, you can use another identity, sine squared. Yes, sine squared it's in a half of 1 minus 2. Yeah, it's way more straightforward as well. I'll tell you answer for now. Yeah, it make me fun. Totally the format is about ingayo. It's kind of different, but you'll be fine. Really fun. Okay. So these are simpler ones. This is our level 1. Yeah. 1 minus half. Well, 1 minus half was going to give you half, right? And if you're gonna have the integral of half, right? Yeah, integral of half dx. And then you get mau integrate uzothola 1 over 2 bese ufaka pi. Isn't it going to give you the same thing? Well, this is the same thing because here this is still 1 minus half. It's a fun. You can just simplify this. 1 minus half half. So the answer of here is pi over 2, no minus half pi. So it depends on your mathematics level. Utithi nawanye si slowly a bit, but you can just combine these alike terms. You must get the same outcome. Alright, clear. So we are done with level 1. Now, sesifuna umuntu aphe serious attention because we are going to level 2. The combination of cos and sine. Lana please ngicela umuntu alalelisise. These are the statements. Don't mind the generalizations of abo m, nabo n, nabo k, nabo warawara. Doesn't matter, right? We still need these identities. But now these are the strategies, no matter the tricks that James Stewart calculus series gave us, right? They gave us so that we can be able to evaluate the integrals kalula. Number 1, you are having a combination of sine no cos. And then labo sine nabo cos, they are raised to the power of something that is not 1. Okay? Because if they are raised to the power of 1, integral ka sine x negative cos x. Okay, it's straightforward. But if it's raised to another power, you have to try to implement Lamar rules. So yino zoinaga when. So a combination of sine and cos, you look at their exponents. If the power, no matter the exponent of the cosine is an odd number, then you must save one cosine factor, then you must use this identity to express the remaining factors in terms of sine. Leave the generalization alone. Let's do it practically. Now, I'm going to take an integral, a practical problem, an integral of a sine of, okay, sine raised to the 4th power x, then you're gonna have cos raised to the 7th power x dx. Do you see some powers wakho, they are now becoming bigger. So you must have some strategy that you'll use to express some identities wakho. So express ama identities at this point. It's in into. If the power the cosine is odd, noma is an odd number. Njengamanje la u7 uyipower ka cosine and say what? It's an odd number. So when the power of cosine is odd, then you need to implement the following. What does the statement say? It says save one cosine factor. Should say kulo cos lona, keep a cos x or 1. Right? We're having cos raised to the power of 7x, right? So from this, I'll keep a ubani or cos x or 1. If I take out one cos x factor here, what is going to remain? Cos to the power of 6x. That's what they're trying to say. If what? If the power of cos is odd. If it's an odd number, jengo 7 kanjeni. So this is cos to the power of 6x. Then this is cos x. That's the first step. Then which identity should you use? So let's just write this condition. If the power of cos is odd. If the power of cos is odd, step 1, express this by taking out cos y1. Then what next? You need to use the identity kabani ka cosine. They say use the identity that says cos squared x. Cos squared x, what is it equal to? The Grade identity. It's 1 minus bani sine squared x. So this is 1 minus sine squared x. But from what you are trying to integrate, siyambona yini cos squared x lan? No, but you can try to make it in form of cos squared x angesh. So if I try to make it in form of cos squared x, just for me to have this identity implemented, it means I have to make log cos to the power 6x. Abe nobani no cos squared x. So that means this has to be cos squared x raised to the power of bani 3. So that this 3 and 2 will give you bani 6 back. Remember, there's an equal sign, you must maintain the same. So why did you save cos squared x, Lana? Is because you wanted to apply Nile identity. Then now you can replace cos squared x with the identity 1 minus sine squared x. Then you can start integrating. So you can replace this with 1 minus sine squared x. Then this is cubed, right? And then this is times cos x. If the power of the cosine, actually this is a combination of sine no bani no cos, and our powers are sine no cos, they are bigger in such a way it's not easy to resolve them. So if the power of a cos is an odd number, when you take out one cosine factor. From here's no cos to the power 7x. I took out cos x on jani or 1. Then wasalubani cos to the power of 6x. The next thing you are trying to implement this identity, cos squared x is equals to 1 minus sine squared x. Try to say in this even term, try to get cos squared x. And cos squared x lana, if I factor it out, it will be cubed. Then so that this 3 times 2 will give me 6. So this integral is equals to the integral of 1 minus sine squared x cubed rather. And then this is times cos x dx. Now it goes back to level 1. Because this cos to the power 7x is equivalent to lento leni we express wethu. Yep. Ubani? Oh yeah, sine. Sorry. So this is wait, let me rewrite it. This is sine power 4x, right? And la no cos to the power 7x, I'm gonna put 1 minus sine squared x, right? Then outside there's ubani cos x dx. Now it goes back to the level 1 problem. It is still complex magunjena, but to make things simpler, whenever the power of cos is odd, and so in the simplification yakho, you will do a substitution. I've already told you this has a lot to do with any substitution. So when you do a substitution there, what will you let u be? I'm not asking you. In this one, I'm telling you. Please use u is equals to sine x. U is equals to sine x. Choose la no sine x corner, you replace with ubani with u. But again, if you are going to differentiate u and find du dx, what are you going to get? Cos x, right? So in other ways, if you multiply dx to the other side, du ulingana nobani? No cos x dx, which is what we have here. So here we are making things simpler for you. I think it's just also which factor should I use? No. We are giving you the factor to use. When the power of cosine is odd, first save one cos factor. Busale cos to the power 6x, right? Then try to express in terms of this identity and a cos squared x. So try to express the cos squared x, raise it to the power 3. Then you substitute the identity. Now you are integrating lentolena instead. Then we are telling you substitute u for ubani, we substitute sine x for u. In other words, let u be equals to sine x. Which one is the best to use here? You won't think we start and learn. It's a lot of things and it looks scary, but when I follow the procedure. Furthermore, we can say this is the integral of sine to the power 4x. This is equivalent to u. Sine x is u, right? And this is sine x raised to the power of bani 4. So this is u to the power of 4. Then this is into 1 minus. Sine x is u, right? So this is u squared. But this is cubed. Cos x dx, to replace it with 1 with du. Then from here you can now cook up your mathematics because it's now simpler. You see there is a cube here. Shoot how many times should you expand this? 3 times. So I don't know if people have got shortcut mathematics method. But here, abanye kumele bavule ama brackets awungaki? Awu3. Kanjeni 1 minus u squared. 1 minus u squared. 1 minus u squared. So this is 1 and 1. 1 and 1 will give us 1 angisho. Then this is minus u squared and then this is minus u squared. So that's going to be minus 2u squared, right? Then this is going to be plus u to the power 4. Then this is all multiplied by ubani, 1 minus u squared. You further do the same expansion. 1 and 1 will give you 1, right? And then 1 and u squared will give you minus u squared. Minus 2u squared and this 1 will give you ubani, minus 2u squared, right? Then what else is left? This and this, right? This is gonna give you plus ubani, 2u to the power of 4. Is it fine? This times this, this times this, this times this, this times this. Then the last one, u to the power 4 times 1. U to the power 4. U to the power 4 times this, minus u to the power of 6. Then you simplify by summing up the like terms. This is minus u squared, this is minus 2u squared. So this is minus 1 minus 2, right? So toluban lapo minus 3u squared. These are like terms. 2u squared plus 2u to the power 4 plus u to the power 4. What do you get? So that's going to be 3u to the power 4 minus u to the power 6. So you see this thing that you have cubed is equal to this value, but it's multiplied by ubani or u to the power 4. Please keep your mathematics constant. Be calm, maulapa. This is u to the power 4 into this 1 minus 3u squared plus 3u to the power 4 minus u to the power 6, right? And then this is going to be du. Never make a mistake of integrating u to the power 4 alone, then integrating u1, then no. There is a times here. So this times means that you have to expand this first inside. So if we expand this is the integral of u to the power 4, right? Minus ubani, u3u to the power of 6. Angisho. Then this times this is going to be plus u3u to the power of 8. Then this times this, that's going to be minus u to the power of 10. Ningasabi nje expandani nje. and be consistent. So you can integrate each and every portion separately, because now they are separated by a plus and a minus. So I won't need to write integral. Integrate. Integrating u to the power of 4 and the opposite power rule. Add 1 to this exponent. This will be u to the power of 5. Then you divide by the new exponent. Now, add 1 to this exponent. This is 6 plus 1. It's going to be ubani? 7. So this is minus u to the power of 7. Then you divide by the new exponent. That's going to be 3 already lana. So this is minus 3 over 7 u to the power 7. Integrate this one. Add 1 to this 8. That's going to be 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is going to be u to the power of 9. And then divide 3 by 9. What are we going to get? 1 over 3. There is a plus. And then do the same here. This is going to give you minus 1 over 11. U to the power of 11. Now, is it complete, Magunjen? No. This is an indefinite integral. So there must be a plus c, a constant. So from here, this is your indefinite integral. But it's not complete, Magunjena, because our initial question was given in terms of ubani x. So the question here was given in terms of x. So since it was given in terms of x, you have to resubstitute evaluate u. Because remember we said that u is a function of x. U is equals to bani sine x. So this is u is equals to sine x. So where there is u, we're going to put ubani sine x. So this is sine x to the power 5. Normal sine to the power 5x. This is minus 3 over 7 sine x to the power of 7. This is plus 1 over 3 sine x to the power of 9. This is minus 1 over 11 sine x to the power of bani 11 plus ubani uc. Uc where it's o constant. Nice solution. It's simple in enzima. Is it hard? Is it simple? It needs strategy. Do the hard things and your life is gonna be easy. But mountain Wednesdays is for when. So to simplify your life, make it hard. Let's summarize this. We summarize and shooting in Zen. Right? Send then learn. Come back. So if you are having a combination of sine and cos, you look at the exponent. If the exponent got cos, it is an odd number. What do? Le factor and no cos, u keep a cos or 1, keep cos x or 1. Choose a cos to the power of 7x, you keep ubani, u cos x on jani or 1. Then what remains manga keep cos x or 1, salubani, u cos to the power of 6x. Then the identity that you desire to use is this one. Cos squared x is equals to 1 minus sine squared x. That's the desired identity of Unui 7's. Here's what I look at. Yeah. Is power in? If the power even. Okay, we're gonna do a criteria where this is the first one. If the power is odd. If not, we're gonna see what. If not, then what will happen? So, sifuna ukusebenza naye identity. Asibuyeni, unless there's a question. Ufuna ukusebenza naye identity cos squared x is equals to 1 minus sine squared x. So, thina siyozama ukuthi lo cos to the power 6x sim express in terms of ubani u cos squared x. And that is to be raised to the power of ubani u3. So that this 3 times 2 will give you back ubani u6. Then we substitute like no cos squared x fagubani u1 minus sine squared x, and this is raised to the third power. But lo cos x usakon. Then we integrate this new one. Naila sayifana. And at this point you need to apply a substitution. Mawufuna the substitution, if it cos power yako is an odd number, always let u be equals to bani to sine x. So u wami, I let it to be equals to sine x. So I transform integral yami even in terms of ubani u. By deriving u with respect to x, deriving sin x with respect to x, we get ubani? The cos x. But here, from the integral, nginobani mina? Cos x dx. Lana u cos x dx is equal to bani? Du. I apply substitution method. La kuno sin x, I put u. This is raised to the power of 4. This is raised to the power of 2. La kuno cos x dx, I put ubani? Du. It's a substitution method. Then from here you do the mathematics. The rest is the mathematics. If it's an indefinite integral, mawuso ufika kule step la so integrate khona, always add ubani? U-c. And if into yakho is still in terms of u, which is your substituent, always express it back to be in terms of ubani? U-x. Because the question yakho was in terms of x. But makuyi definite integral, akunandaba. You will change the bounds as well, makuyi definite integral. You will remember a substitution. So that's the first condition that we have. Please practice more on this. If the power of cos is what? Is odd. Any questions? Practice makes perfect then. That's all I can say. Now condition yakho, in a general form it looks scary, but this is what it meant. That's what we did. Now let's come back. Oh, la ayedwa khona. Yeah. Ibe is. Well, this one is direct. Le is already cause identity khona already. That one is hard because kumele uqale u try to obtain identity, then you do substitution. This one, that's why ngiyi rank as sort of like level 1 of things. Yeah, those strategies ngicasuka implement when the powers of the trigonometric ratios they are big. For example, here you realize that the power of trig yethu, it was to the power of 4, this was to the power of 7. They are big numbers, so it's not easy to obtain the identity. So the strategy less sizokusiza noma sokulekelela to do what? To express it is easier. Yes, assign to the power of 4x I think was simpler alone. Using an identity. I think it's one of the questions in Wafagelan. But yeah, assign to the power of 4x. Yeah, it's question number 4 there. It's simpler that one because you still do the same thing. You express it in terms of identity. Because assign to the one of Louis and the Nang, and she's assigned to the power of 4x, right? Dx. So this one basically this can be expressed in the identity sine squared x. But the sine squared x is what? Is squared. Sine to the power of
1 over n.
To the power of 1 over n.
No, 1 over n sine. Sine to the power of n. Cos x. Plus n minus 1.
Whereby, okay.
Over n.
Over n. La?
Yeah.
Hey, Kopura now. Oh, yeah, shit, son boy. Yes. Sine to the power n minus 2. La. Oh. All right. Differentiality in land for integral lag is dn, dx, d what? Dx. All right. Shooting abantu bahlwahlweni. Never judge a person for being what they are. You try to find ways of dealing with this. But do you know where this is coming from? Yabo yonke le procedure siyenzile. Yonke le procedure siyenzile. It's more of the way you're generalizing it. So this n is just the power of cos, right? Is it? I think it's the power of cos or something. But Ibonage, they are not substituting any values. They are just doing it generally until the end. That's why I prefer not to use the generalized forms in most cases. For example, when we look at this one, the way I express would you understand this easily? cause inabo k nabo bani abanye bayaba consistent until they get the answer using abo n nabo k. That's why your final answer is like that. But umkremo loyo awutholisa ama marks. That's the worst thing, cause you'll be like just doing one step, you get there, because it's just a one step answer. Here we want to show my steps to show that you understand this and this, these tricks and these tricks. So there is somewhat of a good reward in following one step at a time. Okay. All right. I think we should move because you got quite a couple of things to do, right? As well. So now the second condition. If the power of sine is odd, and should I say if the power of cos is odd, manje says if the power of sine is odd, that's 2k plus 1 in mathematical terms. What do we do if the power of sine is odd? I like using problems to be able to express intercession. Take the integral of sine, and then this is cos squared x dx. All right. If the power of sine is what? Is an odd number. So ile condition esikuyo. So if the power of sine is an odd number, that is, we are talking about this one. Now power of sine is what? Is an odd number. So njengoba power of sine is odd number, how can you express this? You're gonna do the same trick as the cosine, because here they are just going to tell you save one factor of sine x. In the cos, we're just gonna do it the same way here. So here you are having sine to the power of 5x. We focus on sine to the power of 5x, right? What do we do when we've got an odd power? We save one factor ka sine x in this case. Choosing from here, sizokhipha ubani sine x or 1. Then what do we remain with? Sine to the power of 4x. Yeah, the whole point, guys, of taking out factor a1 is because once the power yakho yaba an even number, then you can express it as an identity. Yes, so once the power yakho is an even number, you can express it as an identity, because zonke ama identities now laphaya siyabonisa nama even powers angisho. Yes. So that's the whole point of taking out a factor of sine. And from here, which identity are you trying to use here? You are trying to use the identity it is sine squared x is equals to bani 1 minus cos squared x. Choosing from the even powered term yako, you need to try and express it in terms of ubani sine squared x. Mangathi mina, this is sine squared x. I have to raise this to the power of bani khona ngizothola 4 2. Then there's ubani sine x. Then from here I substitute my desired identity, which is ubani 1 minus cos squared x. So lana ngathi this is 1 minus cos squared x squared. Then this is what? Times sine x. Then you're gonna integrate this. So this is the integral of, instead of sine to the power 5x, I'm going to write what? I'm going to write 1 minus cos squared x squared times ubani sine x. That's what I have for this value, right? But lana nginobani futhi, I have got cos squared x. Let me put those to separate. And then you are having ubani lana dx. That's all manje. So how would you express this one? Now here is the problem. Which one will you let to be your u? Is cos x. I'm telling you, use substitution. I'm not asking you here's a strategy. Use this one. Your grandfather, James Stewart, invented this one for you. So, u here, we're gonna let it to be equals to bani cos x. So, ungabusazama when uloku express cos squared x as an identity. No, you already did that with sine x. Don't try it again. Let u be equals to bani to cos x. Kumbula ngalena when the power ka cos be odd number, we let u to be equals to bani sine x. But here we let u to be equals to cos x. From here we know that du dx, the derivative of u with respect to x, ubani? Derivative of cos x minus sin x, right? And tina from here, do we realize utilana sino sin x dx? Do we realize that? Sin x dx wethu njani lapho? Positive. Sayabo leyo nto angisho. So from here I can try and say ukuthi du or negative is equals to sin x dx. Do you agree to this? If I make sin x dx inside the formula lana, I'm gonna get ubani? Negative du. Because we know negative lana, but here we're having a positive term. Now re-express your integral in terms of what? In terms of u. Shuthi lana, this is going to be 1 minus. This is cos squared x. Sithe la kuno cos squared asifaka ubani na u. Sayabona ngisho. And then this is squared outside, this squared. And then this is sin x dx. But lana sino cos squared x angisho. Cos x wethu sithe ubani? It's u. So I can write this as u squared because this is cos x squared. Then lo sin x dx, I'm going to replace it with ubani? Negative du. Then now it's simpler. The rest is mathematics here because what you want to do here, take out to negative 1 from the integral. Take out the negative from the integral and this will give you what? If we expand 1 minus u squared, this is a simpler one, right? So Solubani, 1 minus 2u squared, right? Plus u to the power of 4. But this is times u squared, right? And like nobani, no du. And then the rest is mathematics. I'm not continuing from here. It is the initial steps, where to start. When the power of sign is an odd number, focus on sign on an odd number. Save one factor aside. Keep sin x or 1, no sin x raised to the power of 1. Then write the remaining one here. Then the remaining one, it will be an even one. Express it or try your best to express it using this identity. Sin squared x is equals to 1 minus cos squared x. And in this case, sin squared x will have to be raised to the power of 2 to get to the following. And again, sin squared x, we can substitute it for 1 minus cos squared x, which is the desired identity sifunai. Then again, uzo integrate lokho. So instead of sin to the power 5x, uzofaka ubani wena? This is the value of. And then lana no cos squared x, now cos squared x. Then when you want to do your substitution, when the power of sign is odd, ngiyaphinda. Calculus students, when the power of sign is odd, let u be equals to bani cos x. Then do a substitution method. Says one in. Yes. Then the last combination. Hey band. If the powers of sine and cos, both of them, if they are even, no matter if they are odd, then try your best to use these identities. This one is not usually the case, but if they give you even powers, I can take odd lab. Now my identities that you're gonna use. Cos squared x is equals to half into 1 plus cos 2x. Sin squared x is equals to half into 1 minus cos 2x. Then sin x times cos x is half in times 1 sin x. You use these identities manjani if lama powers they are what? They are even numbers. Trust me, we've already applied this. We've already done an example on this. Let me remind you. What did we do here when we started with the simple ones? When we had something like, okay, let's start with this one, right? When we had the integral of sine squared x, and we viewed it in substituting identity. But otherwise, you could have just substituted the identity lena etini. Sine squared x is half into cos 2x minus 1. So that's how you apply it when you've got an even power. Once the power yakho yangaba even number, use lama identities lawo. These identities, this one, nale naga sine squared x is equals to half into cos 2x minus 1. Those ones, 1 minus cos 2x rather. So this is 1 minus cos 2x. So you just substitute now my identities. It becomes simpler because it's just substituting, nothing much. Now enye si apply singaboni substitution yalana. When the power of cos is odd, save one cos factor. Did you see what is the look without realizing it? Now I'm giving you the strategy now. Save one cos factor, then express the other one using the identity. Then do EU substitution. Here's what I line.
Yes.
Forget about sine and cos. There's another criteria of sine no cos. But do practice this. This is for practice. I'll send you a document if you want. Do you need this? No, I don't. It's fine. I'll send you. Now, practice these problems. Remember these identities. They are applicable. Now, any criteria, any criteria cosine is rarely used. The one whereby you are having multiple coefficients. All right, as we tan no sec. So tan no sec, we're gonna do the same thing as well, but here we're gonna look at sec no tan differently. This one you have to be very careful. So the first condition, if the power of sec is even. If the power of sec is even, save one factor sec squared x, then use this identity. If the power of tan is odd, let's apply that and try to see how does that work. So if I'm going to give you something that is called tan, right? Maybe I'm giving you the integral of, let's see which one is the condition, right? So let's say you are having integral of tan to the power of 4x. Sec to the power of 6x dx. So this is an integral containing tan nobani no sec. Ama condition is now lana awu 2. The first one is if sec has got an even power. Sec wethu asimfuni sabe ne odd power for these ones. All right, at least for the first year levels. So lana ge if sec has an even power. So if sec kwakho une power a even number, what do you do then? You have to do what? Statement city lana, you have to save a factor of sec squared x. Then you express the other one using the identity. Chuti tinas no sec to the power of 6x now. Sec to the power of 6x. Itin lentolen. If it's an even, first of all, it must be an even power. If it's not an even power, so what do you have to do here? Take out sec squared x or you1. Take out sec squared x or you1. Right? So if I take out sec squared x or you1, what do I remain with here? Sec to the power of 4x. So here you save sec squared x. And what is your desired identity that you're gonna use here? Sec squared x is equals to 1 plus tan squared x. And lana you want to save one factor. We express. So in this case, sec to the power of 4x. Try your best. Or say we express in terms of ubani, in terms of this particular identity. So lana, if I express it, this is the same thing as sec squared x, right? To the power of 2. Then this is sec squared x. Then from here, what do you see here? The identity sec squared x is equivalent to 1 plus tan squared x squared. Then this is sec squared x. So I can replace sec to the power 6x with this whole expression 9. So now it's in your now, it's 1 plus tan squared x squared. And the inoban ngaphandle, ino sec squared x. But lana already inoban, uno sec to the power of 6. Oh wait, I expressed the wrong one. Okay, it's fine. And this is tan to the power of 4x njani. And then the one ga sec inobani is 1 plus tan squared x squared sec squared x dx. Mina ngithi ungayiqayi, okay, ungahlupheki mawubona ngathi mhlawumbe integral yakho seyinezinto eziningi. Wenzani wena? You follow i-substitution method. You substitute the way I'm telling you right now. How do you substitute? You're gonna let u be equals to bani? To tan x. Then eventually the derivative of u with respect to x, the derivative of u with respect to x, derivative of tan ubani? Sec squared x. Then from our integral, sinayo sec squared x dx laphaya. So in this case, du is equals to sec squared x dx. So we can replace sec squared x dx with ubani? With du. So now let's do substitution. When we substitute, la no tan khona sofaka ubani? U. And this is tan raised to the power of 4. So this is u raised to the power of 4. Then this is 1 plus u squared, because lana utan wethu is raised to the power of 2, right? And then this is squared outside. Then this sec squared x dx from the place nobani. What du? Then the rest is mathematics. I'm not continuing from here because means locus expander. You already know now by head 1 plus u squared is the rest is just basic integration. But remember that since this is an indefinite integral, at the end of the day, kumele usubstitute back ubani? Tan x. But let's say simple, because if uzo expand lo 1 plus u squared, uzovula ama brackets awu 2, then you multiply by this u to the power 4, then you integrate using simple integration. Opposing power rule. Yabonala in log. Yes, so to spare time, since this is a revision, you continue from here. But what I wanted you to note is that if sec has an even power, save one factor kabani ka sec squared x. And then the other factor esalayo, try your best to express it in form of ubani or sec squared x. Khona uzosebenzisa le identity ethi sec squared x is 1 plus tan squared x. Then you're gonna integrate this new expression nakho. Then you're gonna let u be tan x. It's a force. Let u be tan x. Derivative of u with respect to x is sec squared x. Now say we knowledge u substitution. That's why I say always revise u substitution for trigonometric integrals. Because of time, we'll move with only one example on this criteria. You will do more practices on your own. What if the power of tan is odd? So if the power of tan is odd, yilama criteria esinayo. Ngicela umuntu angabuza ukuthi what if the power of tan is even? Noma ngale ku sec athi what if the power of sec is odd? I'm giving you the criteria for your level for now. Umuntu bazokubuza okunye. That is not part of the criteria, it's hard. Uside no course we can agree value say if it's an even number it's fine, we can answer it. I think khona ubuzele ngamphendula. But utan no sec, minimize umsebenzi for yourself. If we are a maths major, you're still gonna see how it goes later on. So let's have something let's just look for a problem here. Tan cubed x. Okay, if the power of tan is odd, right? I will use this one. Tan cubed x so if the power of tan is an odd number, what do you do then? The statement so if the power of tangent is odd, save a factor sec x tan x. This one is you need to be very careful. If a power tan, now power tan is 3, ini is an odd number. As focus lo tan cubed x. From it, you need to try your best to save a factor. If factor kabani ka sec x tan x. Now it gets complicated. How can you express this in form of sec x tan x? Khona into yaziyo into no sec x phindwe no tan x. Derivative kabale ka sec, right? That is the derivative of sec. So the derivative of sec has got sec x and tan x. So we have to somehow find a way to derive this in such a way to sothola lokho. But let's try to express your tan cubed x. Tan cubed x njengoba sinayo lana. How can we express this? We can express this as tan squared x, right? Times ubani times tan x. For the first level, we can express this as tan squared x times ubani times tan x ngaphandle. But at some point we want to try and save a factor sec x, sec x tan x, so that we can apply this identity. The identity that we desire is tan squared x is equals to bani 1 is sec squared x minus 1 angisho. Sec squared x minus 1. This is the desired identity. So sesinayo ngisho lapha tan squared x. So I can say where there is tan squared x, I'm gonna put ubani sec squared x minus bani minus 1. But outside I've got ubani tan x. So this is sec squared x minus 1 and I've got ubani tan x. Then now you have to integrate that. So this is the integral. This is equal to the integral kabani ga sec squared x minus 1 tan x. Then you are having ubani sec x dx. So from here, this one iyazenzakalela. Do you see that you have already saved this effect sec x tan x? Iyazenzakalela automatically. But it trick it in lan. Try your best. If the power of tan is odd, keep tan oyi-1 khona kuzosala into enjani e-even. So if the power of tan is now an even number, you can express it using this identity, because wonke ama-identities wethu, they are based on powers ayini ama-even number. So this tan squared x value is already equals to sec squared x minus 1. There is a tan x ngaphandle. You already substitute it here. Now you apply a substitution method. I'm telling you. You let u be equals to banlan. Let u be equals to sec x. Don't try and complicate it. Omunye once angaqala enza okunye, angazi. Let u be equals to sec x. Such that when you're going to derive u with respect to x, uzothola ubani sec x tan x. Because it derived to sec x and ubani is sec x tan x, which is exactly what we have here. So in other ways, with the span of sec x tan x dx, this must be equals to ubani du. This is sec x tan x must cross multiply dx uyangaleni. So you transform lento yakho into a u integral. This is the integral of la kuno sec khona uzofaka ubani u. So this is more like u squared minus 1. Then where there is tan x sec x dx, what are you going to replace it with? Du. This one is not raised to any enormous power, so you can just integrate this one. You can just do it quick. Because there is no power stopping us from doing that. So here, this will give you 1 over 3 u cubed when you integrate. When you integrate to -1 du, you're going to get ubani u. But remember, this is plus ubani c, because this is a what? An indefinite integral. Then you resubstitute back the value of u wako. U wako sithe ulingana nobani konje? Sec x. So this is sec x cubed minus sec x plus c. That's the actual value. Lana sekuyi-maths lana, because the soya integrator into basic. We have reduced it from being complex to basic. Just catch the tricks lawo awu-2. Ungalindele, don't even expect something that will have utan or even number raised to the power of an even number. Don't even try to resolve that thing. Alright? Or something having usec raised to the power of an odd number enkulu. Don't try to resolve it. Try to look for these two. They will always be there in your questions. So here are problems. You will do them now. Please prove this one as well. The integral of tan x ulingana no ln of sec x plus c. There is also another alternate form of this. Please find a way to prove it. Even this one. This one says sayenza ngisho. Integral of tan x ma ungayibuza izonhlula. Let's make it quickie. Masisha nje. Integral of tan x. What is the integral of tan x? What is the best way to tackle this? We said last time when substitution. Angesho. Sesiyayisheshisa lento. This is the same as the integral of ubani sin x over cos x. There is a dx there. Right? And then if you want to integrate this, you realize one thing, that if you derive sin x, you're gonna get ubani cos x. So you can use EU substitution there. So if you let u wakho alingane no sin x, then its derivative yakhe with respect to x will be equals to bani cos x. Or okay, oh no, yeah, or you can use cos rather. Okay, you can let u have cos x, cause lana cos weight is in the denominator. Just gonna kind of jinx things for you. So you can just let u be equals to bani to cos x, because mawuzom derive cos x uzothola ubani sin x or negative, and du dx uzothola ubani lapho negative sin x. But from my integral nginobani mina no sin x dx. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. So I've got sin x dx. So to get to sin x dx from this expression yami, du wami must be negative. You guys are seeing the math here, angisho. Multiply dx ngalen, then divide by -1 on both sides. This is the value of sin x dx. So this integral in terms of u, this is the integral of ubani. This is the integral of 1 over u. La no cos x sin x dx ngizofaka ubani mina negative du. Sengiyamkhohla leyo negative. Cos x u, that's why ngithi 1 over u lana. And if you take out to -1 and integrate here, if you integrate 1 over u, what do you get? Ln of u angisho. Yes. But this is gonna be plus c. And if you substitute back the value of u, since this is an indefinite integral, this is negative ln of, remember a ln has got an absolute value sign, right? So what is u way to? It's cos x, right? So this is cos x plus ubani plus c. That's the first expression ka-tan, ye-integral ka-tan. Eyokuqala awu-2. Naye engiyi-displayile mina-ke, I displayed this one. So try to take that one and form it to be this one. You guys need to remember your calculus 1. What can we do here? How can we turn this to sec? When you sec ulingana nobani? 1 over cos, right? So sec is 1 over cos. There is a negative here, right? So if I say negative ln of 2 is equals to ln of half, would you agree to this? Is this correct? Not correct? You learn this, guys, galotinjan guma what logarithmic laws and whatnot. Yes, you learned it at some time in your life. Lo negative lona anganyamalala if this argument galin iba yi-denominator, like uthatha i-reciprocal yayo noma i-multiplicative inverse yayo. That is, if this 2 becomes the denominator kube no 1 phezulu, this negative will disappear. So essentially, for me to make this negative to disappear, this is the same thing as ubani, ln of bani 1 over cos x plus c. This negative disappears because the cos x one, I take it to the denominator, I make e inverse yayo. So 1 over cos x is what? Sec x plus c, 9. That's the proof. If you want, these are the two, all of these expressions, they are equivalent to integral tan x. This one, not this one. Both of them. So in case a multiple choice comes and say what is the integral of tan x, bangakufayela a no b is both a and b. Please make sure that you do them, you understand them, and all of that. And also do this one. This one I'm not doing it. Integral of sec x. It is ln of sec x plus tan x plus c. Prove it.